Earning, spending, saving, and investing. What do these terms mean? Earning. Do you have an allowance? Have you done chores and got paid? Do you have a job? If you have, then you have likely earned money. Earnings usually refer to the money you earn from a job. You can work providing a good or a service. Spending. Spending is the act of giving money to purchase goods or services. Everybody has to decide what they'll do with the money that they earn. You may spend it on the things you need or want. You can't have everything you want, so you have to make important decisions about the things you spend your money on. Saving. Instead of spending, will you save it? Saving is the process of putting aside money for future uses and not spending it immediately. You can save money to achieve short-term goals, such as saving to buy new clothes or a gift, or long-term goals such as buying a car or a house. Also, saving money can help you cover unexpected expenses such as medical expenses or pay for repairs for your car. Investing. Investing is something you can do with the money you save. It's related to saving, but with investing you take bigger risks with your money, with the hope that it will increase in value. It's a way to hopefully increase the amount of money you have. So how is earning, spending, saving, and investing related? It's all related to wealth. Saving and investing is about building wealth. We can summarize it all as wealth equals what you earn from work and investments minus what you spend. If you spend more than what you earn, you are in danger of losing wealth and going into debt, and if you already have debt, it will grow bigger. By spending less than what you earn and saving your money, you will create wealth. Understanding earning, spending, saving, and investing is the foundation of smart personal finance. Mastering these skills is key to mastering money and achieving your financial goals. See some of our other videos to learn more of these topics. Also, please like, share, and subscribe. That helps us to make more educational videos for you.